Wagwan, yeah, alright? Welcome back to my kitchen. So, me have something special for you today. Guess what me I make? I'm going to be making some escovitch saltfish. That sound good, not true? Me have some roast yam on the side also. Nobody get too jealous. Alright, you know what? Let's jump straight into the recipe. So, me I use some white cane vinegar. Then me add some sugar to it to balance the taste of it, of course. Some fish seasoning, black pepper, and salt. And of course, the star of the show, the veggies. May I use some hot pepper, may I use some country pepper, some onion, sweet pepper, carrot, thyme, and then we'll bring it to a boil. When it start boil up, it's ready. Just lock off the stove, put it one side to cool. Obviously, salt is salt, so you must have a way to remove the salt. It's either you go boil it or you go soak it overnight. I chose the latter. I soak the saltfish overnight, remove the skin and cut it up into chunks. If you have a paper towel, just use that to remove the excess water from it because you don't want it to stick up in a pot. Alright, so when you fry it, make sure the oil is hot. Add the chunks, fry them until they're crispy. Remove them from the fire and put it one side, and then add the hot escovitch sauce to it. And then it's ready, of course. You know this nice. I'm going to be having it with some roast sweet yellow yam. Guys, this was a simple recipe. Link in the description down below. I'll give you the full details. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, just go and work good.